Listen and practice speaking skills. Sam, isn't it wonderful to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and just relax here in the park?
Absolutely, Lily. There's something about being surrounded by nature that soothes the soul.
Totally agree. So, how have you been? It feels like it's been ages since we last caught up.
I've been good, just trying to stay busy with work and all. How about you?
Likewise. Work has been keeping me on my toes, but I'm grateful for the challenges. Oh, look, there's a family having a picnic over there. Reminds me of when we used to have picnics with our families as kids.
Yeah, those were the days. Simple pleasures like picnics in the park really make for lasting memories.
Absolutely. Hey, speaking of memories, do you remember that time we got lost in this park trying to find the duck pond?
Oh, how could I forget? We ended up wandering around for hours before stumbling upon it. But the adventure was worth it.
Definitely a day to remember. Hey, did you hear about the new movie that's coming out next week?
No, I haven't. What's it called?
It's called The Lost City. It's supposed to be a thrilling adventure film set in the Amazon rainforest.
Sounds intriguing. Maybe we should make plans to see it together.
I'd love that. It's been too long since we had a movie night.
Agreed. Oh, look, there's a dog playing fetch. Reminds me of when we used to take your dog, Buddy, to the park.
Yeah, those were some of the happiest times. I miss him.
Me too. Hey, on a lighter note, have you tried that new ice cream place downtown?
Not yet, but I've heard their flavors are out of this world. Maybe we should go after the movie.
That sounds like a perfect plan. I could go for some delicious ice cream right about now.
Same here. Oh, look, the sun is starting to set. Isn't it beautiful?
Absolutely stunning. Moments like these remind me to slow down and appreciate the beauty all around us.
Couldn't have said it better myself, Sam. Hey, thanks for spending the day with me. It's been really nice catching up.
Anytime, Lily. Here's to many more moments like these in the future.
Jake, isn't it fascinating to browse through all these treasures from the past?
Absolutely, Ava. There's so much history and character in each piece.
So true. Hey, have you seen anything that catches your eye?
Not yet, but I'm keeping an eye out for unique decor pieces for my apartment. What about you?
I'm on the hunt for vintage jewelry. I love the idea of wearing something with a story behind it.
That's a great idea. Let me know if you find anything special. Oh, look, there's a collection of old vinyl records. Reminds me of when we used to listen to your dad's records in high school.
Yeah, those were some fun times. Music has a way of bringing back memories, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Hey, speaking of memories, do you remember that road trip we took to the beach?
Of course. That spontaneous trip was one of the highlights of our friendship.
Yeah, we had so much fun exploring new places and making memories together. Hey, have you tried that new cafe down the street?
Not yet, but I've heard they serve amazing pastries and coffee. Maybe we should check it out after we're done here.
Sounds like a plan. I could use a caffeine boost. Oh, look, there's a collection of vintage cameras. I know you're into photography. Maybe you'll find something you like.
Wow, these cameras are beautiful. I love the idea of capturing moments with a vintage camera. Thanks for pointing them out, Jake.
Anytime, Ava. Hey, speaking of photography, have you been working on any new projects lately?
Yes, actually. I've been experimenting with film photography. It's been a fun challenge learning to work with film.
That sounds exciting. I'd love to see some of your photos sometime.
Definitely. I'll make sure to share them with you. Oh, look, there's a quirky teapot shaped like a cat. It's so adorable.
That's hilarious. It would make a great conversation piece for your next tea party.
Absolutely. Hey, thanks for spending the afternoon with me, Jake. It's been great catching up and exploring the shop together.
Anytime, Ava. Here's to many more shopping excursions and adventures together.